So in this video, I'll be teaching you on how to update your Netflix household account. So first, in this case, I'm using a Google Chrome as my search engine, but you could also use any search engines based on your preference. So after that, you need to utilize your search bar for you to able to access the netflix.com and make sure you sign in using your credentials for you to able to access your account. Then once you accessed it, click on the next button, and right here you will see a bunch of options, which is the package or the plan, which is right here we have the mobile in 4080p as well as its resolution as well. So you could actually choose which plan you are going to select or purchase. So as you can see right here, you can see how many household can watch at the same time. So it is right here, one, and the premium, which is on the 4K and the HDR, it can consume up to four household that could watch the same time on this account. So once you click or do you want to update on this one, just click on next and select which you wanted to pay on the Netflix. For example, in credit, digital, and mobile bill. So that's how you update or upgrade your Netflix account household. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.